Hello friends, so today we are solving daily LeetCode problem 2016, maximum difference between increasing elements. So given a zero index integer array nums of size n, find the maximum difference between nums I and nums j if I and j are two index such that I is greater than or equal to j and j is greater than I within the range of 0 to n. And we have the nums I is less than nums j, then we would have difference, right? So there could be multiple such instance, so we have to find the maximum difference, and if there is no such difference exist, then we have to return -1. So we can understand here like this. Suppose this is our array, and in this case if we found what would be the maximum difference here, so you can observe here that 10 is the biggest value on the rightmost side, and on its left side all index are smaller. So if we look at this guy, this is 1 and this is 10, so 10 minus 1 would be giving us the maximum difference, which would be a 9 answer. So this is what we have to do. So how we will do is we will do in a single pass without any extra space. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take two variable, max and min. So in max we are initially putting -1 as per given in the question, and in min we are putting whatever value is sitting at the very first location of this array. So in min I am putting 2 here. Okay, now we will start from this I equal to j equal to 2, right, at 7. So we will check that at this here, this is 7, right? So we will check that, hey, is it greater than the min? Yes, it is greater than min, so we can make some positive difference. So 7 minus 2, it would be 5, which is greater than this max, right? So new difference would be become 5. Okay, and we will look for the which would be the minimum value. So this is 2 and this is 7, so minimum would be still 2. Okay, then we are coming here. So then we will check here that 1 minus 2, so this is 1 is not greater than 2, so difference will not be the greater, right? So what we will do is in this case we will not update here, max would be still 5 because difference is going in minus. So what would be the minimum here? This is 2 and this is 1, so minimum would be now 1. Now we are coming here. So 3 minus this minimum 1, what is the value? The value is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now we will check that, hey, is this 2 is greater than the current max value? No, it is not, because it is 5 and this is 2 only, so we should not update. So max value would be still 5 only at this step also, so let's keep it 5 only. And what is the minimum? Minimum would be still 1 because 3 and 1, so minimum is the 1 only. Now we are coming to here, so this is 10, so 10 minus min, so 10 minus 1, it is 9. Now we will check that this 9 is greater than or not this current max. Yes, this is 5 only, and this is new difference which is 9, so we will put here 9. Okay, so now we are done, we are reached till end. Just with the two variables we are able to solve the problem. So I will show you my corresponding code for it. You can see here I have initially part max equal to -1 and min equal to nums 0, the very first value. Now I am starting one for loop, and see here I am checking that if nums j is greater than min, then we are getting the max value. This max value, max so far is math.max of max and whatever is the difference with the this current integer with the min, right? So same way we are doing this difference. So this will finally keep the maximum value. Otherwise, if nums j is not greater than min, that means we will get a negative difference. So in that case we will not update max. So what we will do in that case, we will look for the what is the new minimum value. Every time we have to check that is there some new minimum value. So we are checking here that min is equal to math.min and correct nums j. So in this way finally we will have the maximum value when we will come out of this loop, and this would be our answer. So let me execute this code. So yeah, I am executing. Time complexity here is O of 1 only, and let me try to submit it. So I am submitting it, and yeah, it is 100% faster. So we are taking O of n time complexity, and without any extra space, just few variables we are taking. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, please make a comment over